Hey everybody, it's me, King Lux. This is my channel. This is the Creative Creator Hub with myself, King Lux. Now, today I want to show you a simple way of getting out to the world by using audio and, of course, learning about it in a simple way. This app is called Wisdom, the social audio app. Click subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more info. Boom, here we are, and this is another video. But anyway, let me give you an intro about Wisdom. Wisdom app is an app that is really interesting and very fun to use, and I can tell you this app is so fun that you might not say, hey, what's different, what's similar. So Wisdom is a social app where you can meet and greet with other people through audio. Now audio is a piece of, you know content where you can hear it from radio, and of course you listen to music, and of course maybe produce podcast and like that. Now Wisdom is that app. So Wisdom does take your work from just the raw recording, that's live recording. Now live recording meaning you are live on the app and then you grab attention. Attention is, hey, I just saw this profile. What are they all about? What I can learn about? What can I do about it? It's really interesting on how a person may start learning and of course grasping new perspective about what is wisdom, how it's going to be used, and every single person will be getting new to the application. So I am really excited and excited, and for now I've been gaining about more or less views. Not really more or less, like the first one was about maybe 10 people coming through. Then the second one I got about 20 listeners coming in, which I followed. Now the trick here is you share your content, and every single piece that you record is a live stream. So every single time, let's say you pack about 10 episodes or 10 episodes, remember those episodes are packed on the Wisdom app, and whether you want to distribute it or not. And then another important part is mine coins. Now, mine coins are coins that allow you to buy specific things. Let's say, for example, for the time that you record, and your whole length of the show will determine how many coins have you scored. If you scored between, let me say, 600 to 800, then you got a good spend of mine coins where you can get yourself verified. But for now, this is a app where you can share wisdom and of course let people learn. As they learn new things, they'll grasp new ideas, and it's like a progression. It's like a progression, same like paid podcast platforms. What they mean, that means that you are paying for a paid paid subscription. So on this application is really nice and simple. But what if I said it's free? The main thing is the app is free, sign up is free, and of course you share all your wisdom with the people around the world. Man, biggest interactions that I've ever made with wisdom. I think I met about two US people, some in California, some in the United States, somewhere in between. So it's really nice and interesting. So that's why I'm saying don't doubt, try something new, and of course try it today. If you don't know what it is, I'm gonna link it down in my down in the description below. If you want some demonstration, I'm gonna be giving you a demonstration about the app and of course what you may be learning through screen share. This app, this phone of mine, which is mind blowing. I got it on May, and of course it was like just after my birthday. After April, and then in May I got it. Boom, we got to work. Work, 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 work. Then next thing you know, boom, it's time to learn today. So stay tuned for the demonstration. I'm going to be doing a walkthrough, and of course, as we walk through this app, you'll learn how to sequence everything or not, or maybe start something new. This is King Lux SA, hashtag Lux Season. Okay, this is home, and then I'm gonna take you to my favorite application of all. This is Wisdom app. When you go here, this is the application. You might hear some sound interrupting right now, which may show you this is your home where everybody starts to learn. You've got your shows here where people got their shows ready, and of course you can follow. Click on follow, and just for you to get like a verify like that, like principles, you get a lot of topics. Then you got the middle one, which is your start talk. This is your stage where you can write up your title, which is in this block. Then you choose two tags, which means the categories that you want to focus. There's tons of categories here. You've got life and wellness, you've got love and family, you've got business, you've got entertainment, you've got food and travel, fashion and beauty, identity, whole lots of. I think it's only those choices that you got there. And then let's go back, and then here you got your profile. Mentor coin. Sorry that I said mine coin. This is mentor coin. Now mentor coin is a place where you can learn how you can spend your balance like that. Right now, every single time you go, this is used in US, and based on the country, now they're serving three countries, which is Wisdom Link cards can be redeemed. You can use them at you can use it at on Amazon, Starbucks, Starbucks, or donate it to charities. So these ones are really good, and every single time you earn, you can be able to spend those coins. This is my profile. I got 27 followers, 79 are following. This is how you make your profile. You just click on info. Your profile picture goes at the top. Your real name, your username, and then your little bio just to hook the audiences. And per badge, now you can verify yourself simply like that. So this is the Wisdom app. So I can say try today. It's a free one, top badge. That means you continue special privileges. For now, I'm a beginner, so I'm still verified for yellow. So that's how it is. If you want to find out about this app, you can click the link in the bio or search it on Play Store. Go to Play Store, search Wisdom, not word, Wisdom. W-S-D, Wisdom. And then this app, over here, click on install, and then you'll be able to open. There, you got a little tutorial right there about how to use Wisdom and every single part of it. Now remember, Mentor Coin is a workplace or a store where you can spend your coins that you manage to get. The more coins you bag, the more rewards you get. And note, each coin is only spent on the Wisdom store, Wisdom Mentor Coin store, which means the bigger balance you get, the more you can buy, the less balance, build up, maybe do more talks, and then you can reward yourself. This is King Looks SA, hashtag Look Season, hashtag episode 1 of the Creator Hub, where careers are built from the start, and I'm so excited. To follow me, click on my link tree, or otherwise shop my merch. I'm gonna be doing a video about that, maybe in the future. Peace.